Hi, Inger here, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to create beautiful pages with the Other Builder. Before we get started, I want you to think about a few things. Think about the layout of the page. What are you presenting? Who is your audience? Create a sketch. Go onto the internet and look at other pages. What are your products? How would you like to present your products? Also, have all your images uploaded to your media library before you get started, and also have a notepad with the content ready to put into your pages. If you're thinking of having videos, have the links ready and the content. Now let's get started. You go to your PCF Control Center, PCF Sales page, add new sales page. Let's put in a title and then click on the tab builder. I will be showing you different kinds of elements. Let's start with Add Widget and 2 columns. Where it says 2 columns, we start with Add Widget again. And let's put in an accordion. An accordion is tabbed content. Up here on your right hand side, you see you can search, and then the accordion pops up. Click on that, and over on the right hand side you see Add Tab, and let's add 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now let's put in a title, Accordion 1, and let's just copy that for the next title, Accordion 2, and for the third title, Accordion 3. Now for the content, let's pull up the notepad and select some content, copy, paste in the content, and when you're done, just click the check mark. Now let's add another widget. Why not add a Twitter feed? Just click on Twitter feed, set your username, and just click on the check mark. Now you can drag and drop these elements. So let's drag that up above the accordion. Now let's add a gallery of videos. On the second column, click Add Widget. Up here in the search area, I write gal for gallery, and there's gallery. Element heights, I choose constrain max 400 pixels, image mode, stretch Y. You can disable spacing if you want the videos close together. And let's put in 2 columns and 4 items. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now let's pull up the notepad to grab hold of the video URLs. In here where it says URL, I paste in the URL for the videos. And the 4th URL. When we're done, we click the check mark. Now let's add an image gallery, Add Widget, and let's start with 2/3 and 1/3 column. And let's start with a heading. Here it says heading and image gallery, and when you're done, click the check mark. Then click Add Widget in the 2/3 and gallery, element height, constrain max 400 pixels, image mode, stretch Y, and let's put in 3 columns and insert images. Let's select 6 images. 1, if you hold the control down, you can select more than 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert images, and when you're done, just click the check mark. Now let's add a list, and I'll start with a heading and click the check mark and add widget and list. Here is the list, and we can choose if we want to have check marks, arrows, warnings, error. Let's go for check mark 2 and the content. Pulling up the notepad again, and here's our content. We copy that and paste it into the content box. When we're done, just click the check mark. Now let's see what it looks like. go to Publish, View Page. And there you see your heading, you have your image gallery, your list, your accordions, and videos. Now let's put some dividers in here and here to divide the different sections. Click Add Widget, here's divider, and just click check mark. And we'll put one more in, and the check mark. Then we pull that divider down and let's see what it looks like. Click Update and View Page. Now we have a nice divider here and just above the videos. Now let's look at other elements we can add to our page. Click Add Widget and we'll look at tabs. You can have horizontal or vertical tabs. Let's start with horizontal. And we add tab 1, 2, 3. And we can choose to have first tab showing the text. Okay, a title. Tabs 1, 2, and 3. And we need some content. Select our content and paste it in here. And when we're done, just click the check mark. Now let's add a vertical tab. 1, 2, 3. Let it open on the first tab. Title, and some content. Now let's add some services to our page. Click Add Widget and we'll search for services, and we'll start with icons, alignment left, and 4 columns. And we add 1, 2, 3, 4 services. Now I want to put images in, so I click on this little sun and I select the image I want. And the next, and next image, and down here to the 4th image. Insert image. Now we need titles to the services we provide, so let's put in a title and some content. Title and content, and for the last one, content and title. When we're done, just click the check mark. Now let's add some testimonials. Add widget, testimonials. We can choose the style 1 or 2, and 2 columns, and add 1 and 2 testimonials. The name. If the person with the testimonial has a URL, we can put that in here, and some content, and some content for the second one. And when we're done, just click the check mark. And why not take the opportunity to introduce our staff. Add widget and services again. Now this time we choose images, and we want that images aligned left, and we add 1, 2, 3, and we have images. Let's find it. Insert image, insert, and insert. Now let's tell people who this is. This is James, Carol, Mary, and let's tell people a little bit about them, and the check mark. Now let's update the page and see what it looks like. Now here's our header, image gallery, list, accordion, the content, our videos, tabs, vertical tabs, our services, our testimonials, staff, and let's put a headline above the staff. Add a widget and heading, staff, check mark. Now we have to move the heading above the services, and now let's update and see what it looks like. And there's our staff.